Okay, so you want to schedule your out-of-office status automatically using Power Automate. Here's how. Load up Power Automate, setting the trigger as a recurrence. Set when you want the out-of-office to activate. Next, create a new action and search for out of office. You can also search for automatic replies. Select the action. You can now set your personal preferences, such as whether you want to include an internal-external message. If you want to also set up an automation to turn off your out-of-office, just repeat these steps and change the status within the action to disabled. And don't forget to click Save to complete your flow. You might also want to give it a test. Hope that helps. Please like this video if it helped you out, and give the channel a subscribe.